Right, got a 2018 Chevy Silverado with some electrical problem. I'm going to show you guys where the ground wire is connected to. So what you want to do is you want to obviously jack it up and remove the wheel. Make sure you have jack stands. Remove the fender liner. Fender liner is just held by some of these screws right here. Just take them off. Screws everywhere right here in the top. It'll slide out. This is going to be your negative and positive, so take them out. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your negative and positive, they're not corroded. Then this ground wire, you trace it all the way down. This is going to be the ground wire right here. So you can see this is grounded to the frame, and look at all that corrosion or dirt. So take that out, make sure you clean that. You see, clean that out with some good wire brush. Clean it out good, then put it back on. Then you have another ground right here to the engine block. It's kind of hard to see right there. So you want to disconnect that as well and clean it good with a wire brush. Spray something, I don't know, like soap or degreaser or whatever. Clean those two out, then just inspect the ground wire. Make sure there's no nothing's cut or anything like that, and put them back on, and that should take care of a lot of electrical issues with these GM Chevy trucks. And hope this video helped you guys out. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.